Okay, people. What we're going to do today is demonstrate the ease and simplicity of using a Waves wallet and the Waves platform, the decentralized exchange system, the DEX, and to facilitate Bitcoin and bank transfer, sales, or trading of Bitcoin in unlimited amounts, no minimums, no maximums, and the same with a bank. And let's start with the seller logging in. If you were a seller of Bitcoin, you would download a wallet, and you can go to wavesplatform.com. It's right here. And in this case here, we'll use the full screen. Wait for it to come up. And go to the online client beta. Let it do its thing. Okay, so we're going to log in to, once you've registered your wallet, you'll get a seed address, and we use currently like 3 or 4 different wallets designated for specific concepts or amounts of coin or Bitcoin that we hold in these wallets. So here we are going to log into our main wallet, the LG for large, and that just happened to be the case of how that wallet address came up. The LG just tells me that's our main account. So we'll log in. As a security measure, we don't save passwords. And when you see it green here on the outline, that means it's going to accept it. Hit no for saving password. Okay. Now, this is what every Waves wallet comes with. And it's populating, it's uploading. And you'll see here it's a multi-versatile wallet. It holds Waves tokens, which is on the Waves format, which is kind of like a toll fee that you'll pay to use the Waves highway. Ethereum is no different. They have the ether, the gas, or fuel, and it's to pay for transactions so that nothing's counterfeit. You'll be charged a small fee. It's like a hundredths or thousandths of a penny at a time, and it's based on the Waves coin. So you'll need coins in order to transact and move around currencies. But here you'll have Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar. Yes, you can actually upload a US bank account into a non-US bank account using US dollar, or over here euro, or any kind of other currency that's accepted on this list. So let's go to that list right now. For US dollars, if you want to receive or deposit, you can actually invoice somebody for a specific amount, but let's go up to linking up a bank account. Here, we don't accept international wire transfers from US citizens or from USA banks. Reason why is this is a decentralized platform. It is an offshore account, I believe, registered in the Cayman Islands, and so the banking laws are not friendly to this website. Also, the beauty in it is if you're not a U.S. citizen or using a U.S. bank, you can actually upload and link your own bank, and you go right here to see your list of eligible countries. And on here, for example, if you're banking in Hong Kong, you got US dollars in the bank, and you want to be able to upload money in there, and any amount of money. Once you're in your bank account, you have it linked, you will always be off the grid here by using the Waves banking upload system. In effect, you become your own bank. And right here, I will highlight this. See? China, Hong Kong. This is for Chinese yuan also, or if you have a bank account in Hong Kong, all they require is a passport and no ID. You see right here, passport is accepted. ID card or further credentials is not an issue. And so you'll see here that if you're in Hong Kong and you got American money, US dollars, you will be able to link your bank account in Hong Kong into a Waves wallet that you can always take with you. So in some of our clients that we've seen, they'll have like $5 million up to 50 million, 100 million. It makes no difference. You link your bank account to your wallet and voila, you're in business. Okay, you're off the grid still. At this point, you're uploading money into a decentralized account. It is not regulated by anything. There are no buy limits or sell limits of any kind. And that's another beauty of the decentralized exchange. So we will get out of this list, and you will actually go through a KYC third party, which is ID Now. And so you'll get approved to link your bank account by going through this process here of a third party app. And this is, again, for linking bank accounts that are non-US banks. You're not a US citizen. And they also have two ways of doing a KYC, and that's through video identification right here, or through filling out an up application. These processes will take anywhere from half hour to a couple hours, and you're up and loaded. You could use your cell phone, you see here, as a video ID KYC format, and making sure that your account is linked up correctly, and the source of your money's all been verified here. Okay, so we will close that app out, and that's using the banking system to upload fiat currency, whether it's yuan, Turkish money. Again, here, eligible list of countries, just for example, will be Argentina, Belgium, Brazil, Denmark, Germany, France, Iceland, Italy, Japan, Colombia, Mexico, Norway, Sweden, any of these countries, Turkey, the Ukraine, Cyprus. You can actually onboard here all your fiat currencies, link your bank account, and you're in business, ready to buy cryptocurrency using a Fiat Gateway. Close this out. Close this out. And again, there's a wallet here for you to hold your US dollars. We have $1 in this account right now, just to make it active. And since we are in America and we're American, we've received money into this wallet by the selling of our cryptocurrency, and that's one way of bringing in money without having a bank account linked. But once this money's in there, we can actually buy Waves, we can buy Bitcoin, we can buy numerous things here. This here is our own ICO coin called the Mining Company coin. But anyways, let me bring on another wallet. So this is, in this scenario here, this would be the buyer's, or I'm sorry, the seller's wallet. The seller wallet is on top here. The seller has uploaded Bitcoin, and let's see in the seller's portfolio, where all they have to show to anybody is that there's Bitcoin in the back office here. Right now we have $21.29 value worth of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is 0.00248 of a Bitcoin, of a Satoshi, amounting to $21 essentially of US. So that Bitcoin is uploaded into that wallet and ready to transact. We have down here $1 in US. Okay, and for demonstration purposes, I'm going to shrink this, and we are going to go and log into a buyer's wallet. If somebody wants to buy Bitcoin, so we're going to make sure that they have gone through the process, their linked bank account, and all they have to do is sign in once you've downloaded a wallet. And right here, we have our seller's wallet, MZN. I always go by the last three numbers. There's automatic here. Let's see, one moment here. So let's see if we can get this right. Okay, yellow, so not putting in the password correctly. There it goes. This should turn to green. Voila, green. Okay, so we're in this wallet. I'm going to open this wallet. You'll see here in our list of assets, our wallet, we have 0 Bitcoin, but we're a buyer, so we have $7.45 of USD uploaded already. We have our Waves tokens that we bought to pay the transaction fee to be able to move money around. So we're uploaded heavy here in US dollar and very little in all these other crypto coins. Okay, we have the option now of buying Bitcoin, Litecoin, and we can go into the exchange system here once you've uploaded. And this is a decentralized exchange. It is not regulated by any system like Binance, Coinbase, anything like that, Gemini, where they're under regulations and they're using a central server system. This is a decentralized exchange. So if I want to use US cash to buy Waves coins, I can do that here. See, Waves and USD, and then it converts it. It pairs it up right here. See, Waves to USD. I can buy Waves using my balance right here of US dollars to buy Waves at 583 a token. So one Waves would get me 583 USD right here, the final balance. But we're not going to buy any Waves tokens. What we're going to do is going to show you how to purchase Bitcoin on a trade. You've come in to the KYC, your funds are good and cleared. We've shown proof of funds by going back into our wallet, and okay, so we're back here in our wallet. We're in search of acquiring Bitcoin right here. We got a 0 balance of Bitcoin. We have money, proof of funds. Everybody sees it on a Zoom call. We just show that our dashboard right here that we have funds loaded up, ready to rock and grow. So let's just call this 7.45 million of US dollars already uploaded, pre-uploaded, ready to rock and roll. Okay, so I'm going to shrink down the screen so you guys can see this. Now, what's going on here is this is the seller's wallet. He's got Bitcoin in here. He's only got $1 balance of USD, and I will show you this in a second. Let's go back to assets. And in the assets, you'll see that he's short low funds on US dollar at $1, and he's got Bitcoin ready to move. Okay, so he's already shown proof of coin, POC. Now, in this process here, once everybody sees eyes on each other's accounts, there will not be a need for Satoshi. In other words, for maybe trust purposes, which we're going to demonstrate now. So we're going to send a few Satoshis over, then the buyer is going to send back US dollar into this account, and you're going to see it happen in real time, a lot faster, probably within 10 seconds flat of a transaction being completed, a Bitcoin transfer. We know that Bitcoin does not move very fast, but only in 10